Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Naja Shani, and I'm back again with another video, y'all. Here to show you guys how to get voice effects on TikTok. Now, this is nothing new. I'm just late to hopping on a different trends. That's just me. So if you are late and you just don't know how to do it, here's the video for you. So a lot of the videos I'm about to start putting out are going to be how-to videos of like daily things that people just don't know how to do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, so hello TikTok, YouTube, whatever, and I am on my phone currently and I am recording because I want to show you guys the voice effects. Hello, hi, what is good, what is up? Lovely day here. Okay, so make sure you guys have the app. At the bottom you're going to see a plus sign. Once that camera comes up, you're going to hit the big red button to go ahead and start recording. Once you are satisfied with your recording, hit the check mark at the bottom right, and then on the top right you're going to see your voice effects, so hit those. Basically right now you're just going to be using those little buttons at the bottom, the ones that say chipmunk and all that. You're going to click through all those, and those are your voice effects, and it's going to actually change the way my voice is set up in just a second, so keep watching. Okay, so hello TikTok, YouTube, whatever, and I am on my phone currently and I am recording because I want to show you guys.
Okay, so hello TikTok, YouTube, whatever, and I am on my phone currently and I am recording because I want to show you guys the voice effects. Hello, hi, what is good, what is up? Lovely day here.
Okay, so hello TikTok, YouTube, whatever, and I am on my phone currently and I am recording because I want to show you guys the voice effects. Hello, hi, what is good, what is up?
So hopefully you guys understand exactly how to add the voice effects now. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.